कहते हैं लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। एक नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पे 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना उसे ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाते हैं, बार बार जाकर खाली हाथ वापस आते हैं। मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता उत्साह इसी हैरानी में। हर बार मुट्ठी उसकी खाली नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करें। क्या कमी रह गई सोचे और विचार करें। जब तक सफल ना हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर यूं मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नमस्कार मेरे दोस्तों, भाइयों, मित्रों और सहपाठियों, मैं धीरेन्द्र कुमार आपको अपने चैनल के माध्यम से आपका स्वागत करता हूं। चैनल का नाम है कॉन्टैक्ट अस फॉर एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस। यहाँ आपको सीखने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें मिलेंगी। मैं तो बहुत उत्साहित हूँ। अब देखना ये है कि आप इस चैनल के लिए कितना उत्साहित हैं। तो इस चैनल को अगर आप अच्छा लगता है तो इसको अंत तक देखिए, तभी आपको बात समझ में आएगी कि इस चैनल में खास क्या है। तो बने रहिए मेरे दोस्तों, अंत तक देखिए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। तो सबसे पहले चैनल का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, क्यों बनाया मैंने ये चैनल, क्यों हम लोग एक साथ एकत्र हुए, इन विषयों पे हम लोग बात करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ आवर चैनल। व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस चैनल्स। द फर्स्ट इज इट विल गिव यू द अवेयरनेस अबाउट द डिफरेंट फील्ड। टुडे द वर्ल्ड इज चेंजिंग लाइक एनीथिंग डियर फ्रेंड्स, and here the lots of platform are coming in front of you, and if you are not aware till now, means the platform means opportunity will come and go. So it is up to you that whether you are catching that opportunity or you are leaving this opportunity. So dear friends, if you are one of them who are looking the different fields, but where I have to set my life tomorrow, my career, where it is going to set, so don't be confused dear friends. We are here to help you. We are here to give you the proper guidelines, the proper materials, that how you are going to set your life in the future and how your career will smoothly run like anything. So dear friends, for that you have to watch this channel continuously. This is the intro video, but after that every expert person will release every day the one video. So you have to be there with our videos and our channels, so that you can like, subscribe, and if you are going through the video you will learn lots of things. So this is the first reason why you have to come on our channel. The second is it will give the potential about your learning attitude. Yes dear friends, because here you know that here the lots of people are coming and they are giving their ideas about different sectors. Means your learning attitude will develop like anything. Means you will learn lots of things in a common platform. So dear friends, if you want to learn and boost up your confidence level, because you know that education is the most powerful weapon through which we can change the world. This statement has been told by Nelson Mandela. So actually, if we want to learn and actually we want to develop our skills and talent, which we have already, but we don't know that how much potential we have, how much talent we have. So don't worry, here are the expert people come who will improve your every field. And the third reason is it will give you the soft skill training. Soft skill training means what? About your communication skills. Do you know that the present environment and present situation in the world, everything is all about your communication. If you don't a very good communicator, you cannot even sell the single product in the market. And if I am talking about the product, if I am talking about the knowledge also, you have, if you want to express your knowledge, your talent, your wit, the way of expression should require, and the communication skills will give you the proper path. If you are going very calm, cool, composed, and be natural on the time of speaking, means your communication skill is very nice. So dear friends, if you want to develop your communication skills, your soft skill, so here the people will give you the training that how you are going to develop your soft skill, how you are going to develop your interpersonal skills. So dear friends, if you are one of them that who are looking for the best trainer who will give you the proper guidelines that how you are going to communicate yourself, how you are going to sell your product into the market, because I have already told you, the world is all about your communication skills. So dear friend, be cool, be calm, because we are here. We are here to give you the natural guidelines that how you are going to improve your communication skill, your way of English communication skills. So dear friends, this is the fourth reason why you have to come here. And the fifth one is, it is a complete mindset changing program. Yes, dear friends. Because if you have learned too much, your communication skill is good, means your mindset has been changed, means your belief system has been changed. And do you know that everything is all about your belief system? If you are believing that you are the best, you are the best. If you are believing that you are the worst, means you are the worst. So it is up to you that how much the belief system and how we are going to develop your belief system, how we are going to talk with your mind, how we are going to change your mindset. So here, the fifth reason why you should come in our platform, why you should watch our videos. So this is the fifth reason, dear friends. And the sixth one is, we are here not only giving you the educations only. Here we are talking about the means of entertainment also. Means here the lots of expert people will come who will give you the different means of entertainment, like the musical instrument, like the singing a song. Means here the peoples will come you who will guide you that today an opportunity in this sector also. Then how, if it is hobbies also, it will help you to enhance your hobbies skills in a part time. If you are boring, you can come and join and you learn that how the musical instrument you are going to use. So here are the peoples who will guide you. And the seventh is about cooking. Do you know the how many different recipes in the world today? How there are non-veg and veg materials, how we are going to cook. Don't worry at all. Here are the peoples who will help you, who will give you the proper guidelines that how we are going to cook a tasty food. And the last one is the coding skills. Yes, dear friends, today the education system has changed totally. And in the education system, in the 29th of July, in our country also, the education system has been changed. If you don't know the coding, your creativity will not come. So here are the expert software engineers who will guide you the proper guidelines about how to develop the basic website page. Not only website, about the application softwares, about the Android based app. So if you are one of them who want to learn about the coding skills, here are the expert peoples, expert software engineers who will give you the very good platform by the HTML, XHTML, CSS and JavaScript. By very simple way you can develop the website. And the last one is business development training. Yes, dear friends, if you have learned, if you have completed your education, but you didn't get a job, for that time there is a question mark. But after learning this much also, I am unable to get a job. So here are the lots of business plan. The people will give you the different idea, the different way of surviving. If you are unemployed person, there are different way that you can settle your life. So these are the various reasons why you should come everyone and join my channel. So dear friends, if I am hoping for the best that you all people will come and we will give a proper guidelines, and also you will also enjoy, we will also enjoy it together. So like, subscribe this channel if you are liking most. और इतना ही नहीं दोस्तों, अब ये तो है, लेकिन सारे दोस्त का भी वीडियो इसके बाद, मेरे बाद आप सब लोग थोड़ा पेशेंस रख के वीडियोस को देखिए। मेरे मित्रों जो एक्सपर्ट पीपल्स हैं उनके भी एग्जाम्पल्स, उनके इंट्रो आप सब लोग एक एक करके देखिए, लास्ट तक देखिए। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपके लाइफ में आने वाले समस्याओं को और आपके जीवन के हर एक पहलुओं पे ध्यान देते हुए इस प्लेटफॉर्म को बनाया गया है। क्योंकि आपको पता है, राह संघर्ष की जो चलता है वही संसार को बदलता है। राह संघर्ष की जो चलता है वही संसार को बदलता है। जिसने रातों से जंग जीती है, जिसने रातों से जंग जीती है, सूर्य बनकर वही निकलता है। तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, वॉच माय फ्रेंड्स वीडियो and watch this channel till end so that you can understand little more about this channel. Like, subscribe and be with videos, and the last moment I will meet you again with you peoples. So thank you and be with me. With another peoples are coming to you very soon after me only. So dear friends, watch very patiently. You will learn so many things. Okay.